Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Measure and assemble ingredients. 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef, 4 slices of bacon, 4 burger buns, 1/2 cup shredded cheese, and condiments. Mix beef gently with 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. Overworking makes dense burgers. Divide into 4 equal portions and form 4 4-inch patties that are slightly larger than the buns. Press a shallow 1/2 inch indentation into each patty to prevent doming while cooking. Chill the patties 15 minutes to firm up before searing. Place bacon in a cold skillet and turn heat to medium. Cook until crisp, about 8 minutes, flipping occasionally. Transfer to paper towel and reserve 1 tablespoon bacon fat. Heat a heavy skillet or cast iron to medium-high. Add 1 tablespoon reserved bacon fat and sear each 4-inch patty for about 3 minutes per side to get a brown crust. Use an instant-read thermometer and cook to 160 degrees F for ground beef safety. Top each patty with shredded cheese, cover 1 minute to melt, and rest patties 5 minutes before assembling. Toast the buns face down in the same skillet for about 30 seconds to soak up flavor from any remaining bacon fat. Watch closely to avoid burning. Spread your chosen sauce on the bottom bun, add a crisp lettuce leaf and a tomato slice, then place the rested cheese-topped patty. Layer 2 bacon slices per burger and any extras like pickles or grilled onions, then finish with the top bun. Serve immediately with a 3-5-ounce portion of fries or a side salad and enjoy while hot.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.